Hey guys, it's Caitlin again. Yeah. I don't know what to talk. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a good day so far. I have a biome project to do. Comment down below when you were in 5th grade what biome you had to do. The tundra, the taiga, tropical rainforest, grasslands, and the ocean or the desert. I have the tropical rainforest. Comment down below what you had when you were in 5th grade. And I'm graduating June 19th. It is May 30th. Yeah, it's gonna be fun going up to middle school. Yeah, my hair's long. And June something, like June 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, I don't know. June 1st through 10th, I don't know when, and those days, one of those days, I'm getting my blue tips done. Like, I'm getting my hair with blue tips on. Yeah, and please comment down below what you had when, what biome you had in 5th grade. Yeah. Yeah, so, that's pretty much all I have to talk about today, so, bye. See you later.